Today for these confit egg yolks, we're going to go with the classic olive oil confit, which I've seen on YouTube and other recipes for. And I thought it'd be a little different to use some beef tallow for another one to compare it to. Now, beef tallow is the buzzword today. Everybody's talking about it. It's in the news. So yeah, it's just really tasty too. I've had a lot of fried foods in tallow. It's delicious. So today I thought it'd be fun just to compare tallow to olive oil and just confit eggs in both of them. So to get started, we're just going to put a little bit of oil and tallow in each one of these bowls here, and then we're going to toss it in an oven at about 170 degrees. Let it warm up for about 15 minutes, and then we'll get those yolks back in the oil. Just plain old olive oil in one of these. And for the other one, liquid gold beef tallow. It's delicious. Get your hands on some if you can. Today I'm using whole cloves of garlic because garlic is for bitches. So take those cloves out, smash them. I thought these oils would taste a little bit better if they were infused with something, so I'm going to go with the classic garlic and herb taste. I got some thyme and some rosemary and then just some whole cloves of garlic here that I'm going to drop in. Alright, so I have my olive oil with my herbs and garlic. I also have my beef tallow with herbs and garlic. We're going to get these in the oven at 170 for about 15 minutes to get them nice and hot. And then we're going to go in with our egg yolks and then give them another 30 to 40 minutes in the oven. So just plop them in like this, as low as you can go, guys. 170 is as low as I can go in this oven, so that's what we're using. We'll check back in 15. Already smells amazing. Alrighty, our oil and our tallow are both heated up to 170 degrees, so it's time to start cracking those eggs and getting the yolk separated from the whites. And I'm just using my hand. And just plop it right in that oil. Bloop. And just make sure they get all covered up there with the oil. Alright, now very carefully put these back into the oven. I already popped several, so be careful not to pop them. In we go. Alright, our eggs are in their oil. I'm going to leave them in there for about 30 to 35 minutes and see what the consistency is like. If it's a little too runny, then maybe I'll go back in for 5 or 10 more minutes to bring it up to 40 or 45 minutes, but we'll see. Time to toast up that bread. I have a nice country sourdough loaf here sliced up that I'm going to put a little olive oil on and just toss it into a pan. Get it nice and toasty. Beautiful. Well, guys, this is a classic example of I f***ed up. See that yolk there? How it's cooked? Just a cooked egg yolk. It didn't confit. I bumped the temperature up too high, I got in a hurry, and this is your classic example of what not to do. So this is a great example of what not to do. I got in a hurry, I bumped up the temperature, and look what it did. That is just a cooked egg yolk there. There's no confit, there's no sweet jamminess to it. Just a regular old cooked egg yolk, and yeah, I'm still gonna eat it because it's still gonna be good, but don't do this. Don't bump your temperature up. Follow the recipe and trust the timing process. I'm gonna remake this. I'm gonna do it the right way for you, so bear with me, but yeah. I don't know what to say about that. It doesn't look too pretty. I'm still gonna parm it up and eat it because I'm a fucking maniac, of course. Yeah, there's no way that's gonna taste bad. A little extra oil on there. There's your epic fail. It's still gonna be delicious. Yolk's up. Still delicious. Still can taste those herbs in that oil there. Still got that good parm. The yolk isn't too bad. It's just not that jamminess that you want from a confit. I know this was an epic fail video, but please like and subscribe anyways. We're being honest with you at least, right? Tell your friends, your family, hit that little bell, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, yolk's up.